Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut this steel pipe using this reciprocating saw. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So you see, I have already put on the metal blades on it. The selection of the correct blade is really important, otherwise there going to be trouble. Next is like you should have protective gear with you. I mean, especially eye protection is too important, because a lot of times when these saws go on metal or even on wood, a lot of particles get generated, and you don't want any of these to fall into your eyes and create troubles, right? So eye protection, eye coverage is really important, and you should have protective gear. You should use gloves or something so that you get protected. Next, the item that you want to make cutout on, it should be properly clamped, properly held firm, because it is gonna like vibrate a lot when the saw goes on. So if it's not properly clamped, cut is not gonna be perfect. Even if you're doing it for practice, the better grip you have here, the better outcome it will come through. This is my home and not a workshop, that's why I don't have the clamp, but still I'm gonna try it. So you can see I'm almost 1/4 at least I have covered. You can see how far, and still I'm gonna do more. You have to and once you get the mark, it's easy. If you can fix on the mark and carry on, that's gonna make your life easier. So it's almost done. In fact, it's done. So it can be done, but yeah, you need to have proper precision and grip and with proper protection. Don't do the way I'm doing, because this is just my home setting, but have always proper protection. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.